Hi, good morning, members of the press. This is a press statement, press conference by HANGOOL supporters on the recent involving SALAH YAQUB, Member of Parliament for FAFI constituency at Nyaya House, Nairobi. On Monday, 11 December 2023, an unfortunate incident occurred at Nyaya House Immigration Service Office involving SALAH YAQUB, our esteemed member of FAFI Parliamentary Representative FAFI constituency. The incident transpired when MP, in his official capacity, sought urgent passport services for his constituents requiring to travel outside Kenya. As a state officer, SALAH YAQUB identified himself, requesting entry into office to facilitate necessary services for his constituents. Shockingly, the security personnel stationed at the premises denied him access. Despite his official status, this refusal to grant access escalated into the stressing situation where our MP was subjected to serve assault by rogue security officers at the gate. The confrontation resulted into injuries sustained by SALAH YAQUB, specifically to his left leg and hand. The unwarranted assault against MP is drawing widespread condemnation and outrage from us, the people of Northeastern Province. In response to this, a unified voice from Northeastern Kenya is demanding immediate action from the Security Cabinet Secretary against rogue security officials involved in the assault. Our outcry emphasizes the need for accountability and justice in this matter, urging swift measures to address the misconduct of the security forces stationed at Nyayo House Immigration Services Office. This solidarity exhibit by the people of Northern Province, manifesting in large gathering to support the MP and calling for decisive action against the implicated officers and demand for justice. The incident involving SALAH YAQUB underscores the importance of upholding the right and dignities of public officials in the discharge of their duties, and it is serves as a stark reminder of the imperative need for responsible and respectful conduct for the law enforcement agencies. In this regard, the people of Northern Province demand the following: 1. Interdiction for the police officers and their command involved. Good. 2. Establishment of passport office in Garissa County.
Yes.
The presence of such office will greatly benefit the local community by providing contingent access to passport services, reducing the need for residents to travel long distance for such essential documentation. In this regard, I want to add this. Members.
My name is Yusuf Ibrahim, a resident of FAFI constituency. We gathered here today, and I want to underline it. We gathered here today to condemn what has happened in Nyayo House. I want to talk 3 points. One to the president, the other one to CS Kindiki, and the other one to our leader. To the president, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. In all northeastern counties, the 3 counties, the only constituency you are leading is FAFI constituency. That is the only constituency you got vote. All other constituencies, the 18 of them were Azimio supporters. And our MP has been manhandled, roughed up by police officers in Nyayo while he is looking for birth certificate, immigration passport for our communities. We want to say this. Kindly, you must take action. We are waiting, and we are waiting seriously. His Excellency William Samoei Ruto must take action on those police officers. Starting with the inspector, she should be given interdiction. We are waiting for that. His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. We voted for you. We are the only constituency in government. Garissa Township has delivered. He has not given you the vote we gave you. You are the only constituency the president was leading. It's FAFI. That is for the president. Second, Kindiki, you term Nyayo House as a crash scheme. We don't want talks. We don't want empty talks. We want action. That place is a crime scene, is a den of corruption, is a way bridge where Somali community is being profiled. We want you to take action. His Excellency William Samoei Ruto has good plans and heart for Northern Kenya people. The problem he's having is that the people who are working with him are not good enough to articulate his issues. So we are saying, CS Kindiki, we want you to take action. First, we want the passport office in Garissa. We want a lot from this government. But what has happened to our MP, the only member of parliament, UDM member of parliament, in fact, where the president was leading, we want to see head rolls. That's one. The other thing to our beloved leader, this has been there. We are being told that other members of parliament are also roughed up, 6 of them. You are the only one who came to the limelight. You are brave, you are our hero. Continue with that spirit. You are brave. Let you not be taken backward. Let you not be taken backward by that incident. You are the only brave leader in this county. We are looking for you. Kindly continue agitate for our rights. Thank you very much.
Naitwa Athumani Mwaura Manyara. Mimi ni mkazi wa Garissa na ni mwenyeji wa FAFI. Mimi ni mpiga kura wa FAFI na ni mwenyeji wa FAFI aswa Warabre. Sisi tunasikitika sana kwamba miaka 60 ya uhuru tumeisherehekea juzi, lakini kabla ya miaka 60 kupita, siku 2, mheshimiwa wetu tuliyemchagua, tunayempenda, ambaye anaenda kututafutia haki zetu, alienda katika afisi kujua kwa nini sisi wa Somali ndugu zetu wanateseka, na alipokwenda kujulia hii hali, badala ya kumsikiza na alipojitambulisha, wakawa wanamchukia, wanamuita majina na wakamfanya mambo ambayo hatukutarajia. Wamemuumiza na kumuumiza yeye, wametuumiza sisi. Sisi tunalia sana. Sai mheshimiwa wetu hawezi kutembea, mkono umevunjika. Hii ni haki gani? Je, mheshimiwa kama huyo akiumia, sisi wananchi tutafanya nini? Na tunaomba sana serikali, huyo mwanamke ambaye anasimamia Nyayo House, sisi tunawapa notisi ya siku 7. Kama hamjamuondoa hapo, tutakusanyika sote katika hiyo ofisi. Na ya pili, leo ni siku ya 5. Leo ni siku ya 5, hatujaona yoyote ameshikwa kuhusiana na kisa hicho. Hata video ziliendelea na hatujaona serikali imechukua hatua yoyote. Tunaipenda serikali yetu, tunapenda nini yote ya serikali, lakini leo ametuguza roho. Fikiria mbunge ambaye anajulikana hata bila kujitambulisha, anajulikana kwa ni muongezaji wa haki za binadamu. Hapa sisi kama walimu, watoto wetu wengi waliofanya mtihani mwaka uliopita wameenda sekondari bila kulipa hata ndururu. Je, hiyo ni haki ya kututendea mheshimiwa wetu? Na ikiwa yeye ni msimamizi wa UDA na ni rais, tunamshukuru rais wetu, hatuwezi kubali, lakini tunataka haki ifanyike na ichunguzwe kunaendelea nini katika Nyayo House. Wewe Kindiki ukienda Nyayo House unadanganya na huyo mwanamke, lakini yale yanaendelea pale ni pesa. Na sio hapa peke yake, sisi wa Somali ni wa Kenya. Hata hapa bridge tukipita tunatasuliwa. Tunaomba serikali ingilie kati. Kindiki must go, haki ifanyike.
My name's Anastasia Farah. To add on that, I want to go straight to the point and address to the CS for Interior. Mr. Kindiki, we are not second-class citizens in this country. We are Somalis by birth, and we have been staying here for more than 60 years and above. So we don't fear you. If this can happen to a sitting member of parliament who comes from the majority party, that's UDA, we wonder, we are citizens, are we safe? No. We are not safe, and we are not begging for anything. We want to tell this to our IPOA to take swift action against those rogue police officers, or else we will march to Nyayo House and we will call that place to torture chamber. We will not fear anybody.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kwa majina mimi naitwa Aden Mohamed Umar, ni mkazi wa hapa Garissa. Tunalaani ile kitendo ametendwa MB yetu SALAH YAQUB kwa akiwa anafanya kazi yake na kumsaidia watu wake. Na nataka niulize rais wetu Ruto, wakati wa election ulituahidisha kwamba utaleta immigration office in Garissa. Mbona hujaleta up to now? Kama ungeleta, hangeumizwa MB yetu huko Nyayo House. Hangeumizwa, tungefanya kazi yetu yote hapa, tungepata ile huduma tunataka zote tungepata hapa kwetu. Mbona hajaleta mpaka saa hii hapo Garissa immigration office, mbona hajafunguliwa? Hiyo ndio amesababisha kwamba tusumbuliwe na tusipate nini passport, na MB yetu wakitaka kutetea sisi ichabwe na yumizwe hapo tena. Ya mwisho ningeomba ifunguliwe ofisi ya Garissa immigration kwa haraka sana. Nataka niongeze kidogo Kisomali.
From the entire Garissa County, we converged this morning a peaceful presser to condemn the heinous and barbaric act done by the Kenya police officers stationed at Nyayo House, meted by the MP FAFI Hon SALAH YAQUB. As people from FAFI, we are very sad, and this is not something an MP, a statue like Hon MP, we expect. Therefore, we demand CS Interior, IG Point, IG and police, all investigating agencies to chip in this matter. And the culprit must be apprehended, and those culprits should be brought to book. With that regard, we expect, or we think that these are orchestrated. These are orchestrated, well planned, because Hon MP is a vocal appointment from MP, and also a Secretary General to the people of Northern Region. So we expect this a muted, orchestrated plan, because the MP speaks his mind, and most recently he was unmasking the impunity and the corruption that is going on in the Nyayo office.
Been at the house, and we are condemning seriously. We are fighting for our right. We are fighting for our MP, and let the police brutality be stopped. When the normal Kenyan citizen go to Nyayo House, just if they mistreated an MP like that, what about the innocent Kenyan who has no right? Yeah. We are seriously condemning that, the police brutality. We are seriously condemning, as resident of FAFI, we are seriously condemning that issue, and it should stop.
Imagine one